Alright guys, today we are going to be doing the sway bar bushings on a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Basically I've got a 3-inch lift on this, and I've never done, the sway bar, the bigger sway bar links, I guess they're called. So I got a set. I'll put these in the description below, but as you can see, they're a bit larger than the original ones. So I got a little looseness in the front end. I'm hoping that putting these in will help a little bit. The next thing I got to do is track bar, because that's all still original. And that'll be another video in another day. I'm ordering one right now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottoms out. So this is, it's 15 millimeter on this side, I think, and 18 millimeter. Is that what I grabbed? Yeah, and 18 millimeter on this side. We're going to take the bottom off of this one and the bottom off the other one on the other side. We're going to get that one off too. First, we're going to start with this one. Take it off. The bolt down there. I'm going to reuse the bolt. You can see these bushings are pretty shot, but they're still holding good. But that's pretty loose. We're going to take this other side off now. Let me see if I can get over here so you can see it. Oh. I'm going to take this other side off, take the bottom off because we've already got the wrenches out, and we're going to do that one. Looks like I got a pretty good whack going right there. What the heck was that from? It's not hitting that, is it? No, doesn't look it. Alright, we'll get that in. Get these two out here next. Right there. Just going to get this one out. This one's not wanting to come out, so I'm just getting a big screwdriver, getting it in here, prying it out. There it goes, came on out. So just gonna bring these down to where I can get to them as far as it'll go. Alright, let's see what sizes I need on that. The top one is 18 millimeter both sides. So do the top one, both sides 18 millimeter. Take it out. See, this thing's got 200,000 miles on it. And it's not a huge amount of slop, but man, every little bit counts when you're going down the highway, you know. So, and then we're gonna do the same with the other side, 18 millimeter, both sides. Take it out. Now, normally, if you were just changing these out, you just get these, they got little kits and everything with these. You can get the OEMs. If you don't have a lift kit, it'll be how you're doing it. You're just using OEM instead of the aftermarket ones like I'm using. Alright, then on this side, 18 millimeter, both sides, take it out. This one wasn't quite as bad. It wasn't as worn out. Still quite worn out. 200,000 miles worth of wear out on that. Alright, we're going to open up the new ones. Open these new ones up. There's a slight angle on these, so we're going to kind of line them up with the other ones. And this is going to be the top, just like this one was. We're going to go ahead, undo one of these bolts. These top bolts, where'd they go? Oh, we got both of them right here. We're going to undo one of these, make sure that the center sleeves are the right size. It does come with another set of sleeves. I don't know what that's for, but it doesn't work for this. We're just going to make sure this is going to work. Yeah, we're good. Alright, so we're going to go to this side first and put this up top. Let me go ahead and get it set in place. I haven't tightened this up or anything, but the angled piece, I don't know if you can see it, the angle is pointing towards this. And then this one should line up down bottom just perfectly and go right on in. So I think before I tighten any of them down, I'm going to get them all in, because this thing is acting like it doesn't want to quite fit. And we're going to just get it set in place before we get it all done and set. So we want to make sure that this is right. This side may go to the bottom, so let me go ahead and flip it over and see what happens. So when you line this up, neither side will actually fit in. It just needs to be, I need to tap this out just a little bit. And then when you put this one in straight here, you see where this one comes to here. If you do it the other way, that's how it goes, see? If you do this way and hit it straight in, it wants to hit. So you can line it up. It's either way, like either side. They both got angles on them, so this side is hitting. You flip it around and line it up. Oh no. See? So this one likes to line up much better the other way. So that's the way we're going to go on. So I'm going to go ahead and get the top set in place. So I actually had to take, a pipe wrench, and I got on this a little bit and bent it just a little bit, and this side bent it a little bit, just a little bit to get us in snug. And then I tapped it a few times to get in there tight to where this would line up. And then when I got it pretty close to lined up on this side, I just tapped the bolt right on in, and in she goes. So we'll go ahead and before we tighten this up, we'll get this other side on. So again, flip it around till you get the right side kind of lined up and everything. This one's going to be a pain in the butt again just to get it in place. So we're going to go ahead and finagle that one in too. Don't force it, get a bigger hammer. Didn't take much to get it finagled in there. And then we got the one up top. It just kind of lined right up, nice and perfect. You know, I had to flip it around a few times till I found the right angle. Now we're going to go ahead and put the top bolt in. Got it in there now. 18 millimeter for the top two. We're going to go ahead and tighten both the tops down. Bottoms are an 18 and a 15. We're going to go ahead and tighten the bottoms. And I put it down with some force. I mean, you can see these are squished out where it's come down on them. Where this is squeezed back together, I've got it nice and tight. Very tight, I got them. Again, until it really closes in tight. Make sure the bolt goes out to the nut on this. On the other side, I did it backwards accidentally. So I had to go back and turn it around. But, because it's got the big washer on this side. So that's what you want. Alright. So, not a big deal. Pretty easy job. Literally would have taken me 10 minutes if I wasn't recording. Took a little more time because I was showing you guys. Alright, guys. Hope this helped you out. See, I got the cheap 3-inch lift on it. I'm going to end up pulling these and putting new springs eventually too. Maybe I'll show a video of that. I did all the tie rod ends and ball joints in this. But, a little at a time. I just couldn't afford a whole lot of money all at once, so. And there's no body rust on this, so, I can just work on it and make it right. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If this helps you out in any way, shape, or form, please do. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. These will be in the description below. Obviously, if you wanted to do competition You wouldn't be going with a, you know, piece by piece kit anyways. But let's say you just wanted to fool around, you would put a quick release with a pin in here, that you could pop the pin out and pull the quick release out and let these dangle so you get full motion on your front end. That's, you know, pretty much all you would do. Alright guys, thumbs up, subscribe, peace.